Racing just is started. We have Jade and Diamond break weak. Let us start. Dark Hero more than believable is done on the inside. Out of time. Aloha comes next. Moving up is Dumada Gundong. Pretty Bull. Then comes Dragon May Chance and Dior. Lord of the Sun with Julian. Be cool. Then next on line is the Force, while Lucky Lorky is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Jade and Diamond. Out of time, Miss on the outside second. Then on the inside third, Aloha. Dumada Gundong is on the outside fourth. Dark Hero, most unbelievable, comes next. Pretty Bull. Then on the inside is Lord of the Sun. Chance and Dior. Dragon May. Lucky Lorky. The next on line is Sweet Julian. Then followed by Entrover for the Force. While Be Cool now racing in 14th. And at the fourth turn we have Art of Time now takes command. Jade and Diamond is down on the inside. Aloha is racing in third. Then comes Dumada Gundong, Lord of the Sun, Dark Hero. Dragon May comes next. Pretty Bull, Lucky Lorky. And then entering the home stretch, we have Art of Time moving up. Down on the inside is Jade and Diamond moving up in the middle portion to take the lead. We have Lord of the Sun. Lord of the Sun now takes command by a length and a half. Lucky Lorky moving up on the outside. Jade and Diamond and final Lord of the Sun. Lucky Lorky, Jade and Diamond, Dumada Gundong. Then comes number 6, Dark Hero and Art of Time for your Super 6.
318-14-612. Right. Unofficial.